I always hear people say, the third time's a charm, and trust and believe they were not wrong. A few weeks ago, I spent a few nights at the Sea Cliff Resort and Spa out by Long Bay in the Portland, and I wanted to experience them luxurious side of the resort and them say bet. So you know, without hesitation, a girl packed her bag and I was on the road. Tutus, I was already checked in and being escorted to the Sea Vista room, which, by the way, guys, this is the newest part of their property. So you know, right away, I feel like the real MVP. Y'all just like the video from now and engage in the comment section because trust and believe this one is definitely worth it. Upon entering, they have a jacuzzi style soaking tub just right outside this overlooking the views, of course, and entering the room, baby, this black and white theme, first of all, mwah, chef's kiss. As the summer is fast approaching, I was happy to see that the room was equipped with AC and fan, and one thing about a girl, I love our tea. So when I saw the tea station, yeah, that's just other point for me. Unlike the Horizon room where I stayed the last time, the Sea Vista rooms actually comes with your TV, so you can be thoroughly entertained, and of course a fridge, and of course got a complimentary bottle of water. And I'm really loving the fact that the room is designed with that modern, yet you're still getting that rustic kind of vibe. As you can see, the bathroom ceilings are high, and we also got our usual towels, rags, and we also got robes. And staying true to that rustic theme, you know, they also got the farmhouse style closet. So unlike the Horizon room, this is what you get to basically hang your clothes. No, baby, for what y'all all been waiting for. Or should I say what I really came about, which is the view. Now, jumping into our first night, of course, you know, a girl hopped into the shower, unpacked, and all of that good jazz. And of course, you know, somebody have to put on a robe, get cozy, get comfy, and just sat on the balcony for the entire evening, just soaking up the evening sunset and just listening to that calm, cool evening and just basically appreciating life. The facts about me are maybe not so fun. I am not a morning person, but you see, when I'm in Portland, for some reason, I am up at about 5:36 a.m. just to take in that beautiful sunrise, loving nature, and just soaking up everything. And while on my morning walk, I kept gravitating towards this bench that was overlooking the ocean. And the Sea Cliff Resort, I think you should name this bench the Serenity Point. So this stay is also breakfast included. So shortly after meditating, I got up, you know, got back to the room, got dressed, and the OOTD dress is from Rainbow, shoes is also from Rainbow, and unfortunately it started raining. But anyway, you know, said that not gonna stop with shine. Yes, guys, pun intended. So while I was waiting for the rain to kind of cool off, I decided to just drink little tea, because you know where for bust the gas. At this point, I can change my name from Jody the Island Girl to Jody the Tea Girl. Because, baby, one thing about me, I gotta drink my tea. Shortly after the rain kind of cool up, so you know, we get to head down for breakfast. And yes, guys, this is a tea, cup of tea number 2. For breakfast, I ordered a salt mackerel rundown and some ground provision. I also got a cup of iced tea, which is also included in the morning spread. So this is what I'm having. I mean, I tell you, say the saltfish rundown, a body of freight. I always look forward to them meal. Guys, I mean, tell you, so the food is 10. So after breakfast, I went for a little morning stroll because me did have to make food for some space for lunch in my belly. That is one. And I also wanted to show you guys that they have been working on the property, a lot of improvements along the pool area. They have cabanas which weren't there the last time, so I was happy to see. So you know, I'm definitely coming back later. But anyway, them say eat what you grow and grow what you eat. But me did I wonder if me could have cut 2 under them banana here still, but we moved. A few hours later, basically relaxed and changed off for lunch. Dress is from Shein, and we were escorted by the lovely Zoe, who just followed us all the way to the restaurant. So listen, book your girl Zoe. Zoe, big up you. Customer service 10 out of 10. And I'm not sure if you guys remember, but the last time I was here, I ordered the curry goat, and trust me, made a rave about it. In case you haven't seen that video, it's the first pinned video on my page. So shortly after, went back to the room and changed in my swimsuit. Come and tell us some of the Africa at the cabana. Listen, we waited for evening though, because listen, Portland hot, Portland warm. However, the evening was so cool, so we basically just sat out there until it was basically dusting up. So I went back to the room and decided I'm going to take advantage of the soaking tub, because listen, you say once you say relaxing, you say me, and once you say me, you say relaxing. So of course I filled that up, and I love the fact that this soaking tub had the hydrotherapy as well as the massaging gel. And I finished off the night with a movie. No lie, when I tell you these Sea Vista room stole my heart. I love the A-frame tropical modern beachfront cabin vibes. You know, the space is giving cozy tropical meets luxury aesthetic. So if this is something that you're in, you should definitely save this video for later. So I headed on for breakfast, and today we're having baked beans and saltfish with the fried dumplings and the sweet potato. So in addition, they also have eggs and pancakes as well. So of course, you know, I'm not gonna lift up my tea, burp. But in all seriousness, guys, this is my third time coming here and I 100% recommend it. And they're also doing continuous upgrading on the property. So they'll be adding more rooms as well as an infinity wraparound edge pool for your own privacy. This is your sign to book that room right now. And if you do decide to go, let them know that Jody sent you. Remember to like and follow for more. Bye.